Hello, welcome to our second sprint review of an iOS app called MathMindset. This app is being developed by Ritwik, Babu, and myself, Alex Murphy, at the University of New Haven. Essentially, this app seeks to provide a fun and challenging environment to practice solving interesting math questions. The goal of this particular sprint was to be able to demonstrate core functionality of the app. We did run into some unexpected issues with a detached head in GitHub, which set us behind for this sprint. And now I will leave it to Ritwik to demonstrate our authentication features.
When we launch the app, we are greeted with a splash screen, which then takes us to the sign-in page. We do plan on including some onboarding slides, so for now it directly comes onto the sign-in page. We have the option for email authentication or Google authentication. We are yet to implement Google authentication, but we do plan on targeting this for the next sprint. For now, we do have our email authentication working, so we have the option to log in or to register. So let's go up to the sign up page and create a dummy account. We do have the option to view these as secure or unsecure. We also have the option to upload a profile photo. So we can select this from our device and we can see the image pop up here. And once we hit register, this information will be entered into our Firebase along with the profile image into the Firebase storage. We also have the option for forgot password. So if you want to reset your credentials, you can enter your email address here and you can receive a password reset email from Firebase directly. So let's use our credentials we just created to log in. So if I create an error, we do get an alert that the credentials don't match. And when we enter the correct credentials, we are successfully logged in and greeted at the home page. Taking a quick look at the Firebase data, we have the information for each of the users, and we can see the information we just entered to register. We have all the different fields and the profile image, which links to the Firebase storage image. For the authentication, we again have all the email IDs mentioned. And in the storage, we're saving the profile image under the users directory. And this is the image we just entered.
In process, the user is taken to the home page. There are daily streak counters in the top left and primes are on the top right. They can solve the problem of the day, which generates a problem at random from the topic list. And this is the right answer. They're taken back to home and the button is grayed out. They can also specialize on the topics they want to solve, such as factoring. And yes, right now we haven't randomized the selections, but that's just a basic shuffle function right there. And they can keep solving problems up to 10, or they can go back to the home page and see the rest of the topics. We do need to add a call to update the star count. That is just basic dynamic interfacing there. And I'll quickly show you that these questions are generated randomly using polymorphism and inheritance. Basically, we override the functions for printing out the strings of the problem that each class uses. There's trig, there's factoring, and there's derivatives of polynomials. And I'll just quickly show you in the database that we have stored these questions based on their topic. And we used what is basically a Swift script to actually upload those to the database.
Just a quick addition, the problem of the day questions are fetched at random from the Firebase collection daily problems. So this is our daily problems collection where all of these are different questions and any of these can appear at random. And if you solve a problem correctly, you get the animation. And after coming back to the home page, the streak values and the primes are now updated.